news about Jesus according to Luke chapter 1 from verse 57 to verse 66. John the Baptist born. When a time for Elizabeth have her baby, she did have one boy. Elizabeth neighbor and family them hear how the Lord did good to her and then glad for her. When John catch 8 days old, then carry him go to God's house to circumcise him. Them neighbor and family didn't want to name him after his father Zachariah. But his mother said no, a John him for name. Them say, after none of your family them no name so. Then they make sign to his father to find out what name he want give him. So Zachariah asked for one slate for write for. Them shocked when him write say, a John him name. Same time, Zachariah mouth open up and his tongue loose up and he start to praise God. The neighbor them couldn't believe where it had gone and the news about what spread all over the hilly part of Judea. Them did see say the Lord power dip on him. So everybody will hear about it wonder and ask, what a picnic I got turn out to? A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.